Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows camera into Windows operating system. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So it's a very simple way. First of all, come in your settings option and then search over here camera. And then you can see there will be an option called camera privacy settings. Click on that. And then you can see the camera access settings. So basically sometimes if you turned it off this camera, if you turned off this option, or you can maybe turn off this option, then sometimes your camera is not working, like I'm showing you. Search over here camera, and if I open it right now, you can see the standard interface will be shows up. So for that, if you like turn it on this section, you can see this problem is not solved yet because you didn't access this option is over here. Some of times you want to turn it off for basic reason, different reason, but it's not working. So for that you just need to turn it on, and so you just need to turn on your camera access and your camera apps. So this is how you can fix your camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.